is good for Apple or Android. It is a label printer and it's pink. How cute. D11 Pro. Okay, let's see, print. Oh my God, it worked. It worked. So for $25, plus it makes bigger print. Like obviously you want bigger print. You can label all your items. You can organize. Look how cute. You can make like a little dog one. Let me see if it works. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. They have different like things, pictures you can put in them. Let's see what this one's a little dress. So yeah, you guys, this is on the TikTok shop. Oh my gosh, I'll link it right there like always, the orange card. It comes with 3 of these. And yeah, this is great for small businesses, you guys, or if you just want to organize your house.